Poeboys, and we have a beautiful morning, and it's time to look at the truck. This has been my daily for the past few days. If you can't see, it's still a little dirty, but the truck is doing good, running good. In the sun right now, you can see how reflective the paint is. It's hard to see on camera, but just how like shiny it is, but it looks so cool, because in person you could see the whole entire truck's just like rainbow. Man, this truck looks freaking good. I'm gonna set the camera pointing that way so I can make a little sound bit for y'all so y'all can hear this 7.3 freaking roar. I'm gonna put the camera right here, and I'll be back. Now we're gonna do it this way. For those of y'all that don't know, those shifts are provided by yours truly. Man, this truck is so freaking nice. It looks good, it drives good. Yeah, it needs a thing or two here and there. I mean, mostly she's all there, man. It's hard to freaking explain. Now the camera's zoomed in. I'm digging it. Po Truck Daily. I'm happy about it. Finally got my truck back. Going to get breakfast with Sean. Just pulled up at Sean's new crib. This is the debut of your house. Howdy. Oh gosh, let's go get some breakfast.
3 links and stop, and I'm gonna hump, and we're both gonna leave on the 3rd hump.
All right, he's giving me 3 lengths because I'm completely stock. It's not even fun to do without having a tune. Diesels aren't fun, and especially 7.3s aren't fun without a tune. This is terrible, tragic. Well, we ate breakfast and we just raced Sean. We got the boys.
Don't mind me, just in my Corvette shorts with my pistol.
Any snakes? Welcome to Louisiana. This is what Louisiana looks like. We're debating putting a hole in the bed of my truck. Wow, this is such a bad idea. But YouTube, right? We're doing this for views. This is strictly for views. I'm about to shoot my truck.
I really don't know if you should do that.
I almost want it like in the lower quarter of the truck.
Well, also you got to think about, because you're going to have a bullet hole in your truck, so like where do you want to flex it at?
I think it's going to be that corner right there.
I think you should hop in the truck and shoot out of the truck.
I feel like that's close for me. Maybe I'll just shoot the exhaust tip. I'm fine with that. I'll shoot the tip. I mean, I can do it. If I shoot that tire or that wheel, that's a lot of money.
How did this like come up?
I just shot my tip and my truck's still running. You ever just flex like that?
Why did you allow this to happen?
I didn't think you was gonna do it.
Hey, this thing went right through. It's a new hole for coal to go out. Dude, he got these new X-Comp tires. Look at how much these things just dug. Oh my gosh. Oh, thank you for not covering me in smoke, Sean. Follow Sean at Next Shift. Y'all all know his channel. His Corvette's doing big work. The man's really going ham out here, guys. Take your time. Mowing grass. 69,000 likes and we'll mow the grass with the shotgun. We're about to do tug of war against Sean's truck versus my truck. I just shot a hole in my truck and I'm pretty sure that this is just gonna go along the lines of me getting just towed wherever. My truck just doesn't even weigh as much as his. It's gonna go bad. It's gonna look really cool.
Man, hey, look, don't spoil the show. You might get me, honestly.
We're doing that. You can see what's going on here. If you don't, then you're about to find out. Got its leash. All right, well, she's about ready. It's doing it!
Oh, dude, no way.
Dude, this is gonna be crazy.
Sean, you're gonna hit that?
Go way to the right if you can. Now come down like half the sky. How about right? Oh, yeah. Yeah. So whenever it gets stable, I'm gonna go for it. Hold on. Come on, baby. Oh, it's trying.
That's it. All right, so I made it a little bit longer and added a little bit of stability to it. Yeah, that's way more stable, it looks like.
Smoked it, bro. Bring it back. Actually, don't bring it back. I'm gonna shoot it again. I'm gonna do it again. Cut the tape off. Cut the tape. It'll just go through it.
Let's go.
And I cut the tape.
Let's go.
You cut the tape. And I cut the tape.
Dude, it's gone completely.
Dude.
Now let's go do tug of war with trucks. Should we put it in low gear or should we put it in first? Low gear.
I'm thinking definitely
Low gear.
Yeah, they designed it, I think, exactly like specifically for this.
This is what Ford designed this truck for.
Nope. Tell me when it gets good. Put my cup holders in. Oh, all right, let's go again. I think he dug himself in.
All right, you ready?
We're gonna put it in full drive and he's not even gonna know it. Dang it, Sean! Dang it, Sean! Dang it, I can't see anything. Oh my gosh. You cover me in coal. You cover me in coal.
Oh my god, dude! I just didn't have enough traction.
I was just digging straight down. Look at me go.
Hey, look at the hole you dug under the...
Holy shit, Sean! Look at that.
Shot his truck.
I forgot about that.
Hey!
Nice, bro.
Let's go. What do you know about them freaking 7.3 stock diesel stick shift donuts? Can't really see much.
Yo, that thing got a Hemi in it?
Oh, yours does. Alright guys, I wanted to say thank you very much for watching. I know this type of video was a little bit different than what we're normally used to seeing because lately I've just been working on all of my cars trying to get them running. But now I have the truck going and I kind of wanted to just have fun with it. And I've always wanted to shoot that thing ever since it stopped running on me. It's just I wanted to shoot it in the engine block. But now since it runs, I shot it in the tailpipe. But there's gonna be a reason why I did that. It's gonna make a little bit more sense here in the next few videos. Y'all just stay forward, look to it. Press the bell button so you get the notifications and subscribe as well. So you can see the videos coming. I got some great stuff coming for the truck. The drift car, we're also gonna go ahead and get running and I'm gonna take it to an event as soon as I possibly can. After we get that throwout bearing and stuff, I'm just gonna run it without a hydro for now. But yeah, I wanted to go ahead and give a big thanks to Sean at Next Shift. Go ahead and follow his channel. I already have his thing pointed out, but we were out at his land and he was letting us use it and have fun and everything, so it was a good time. Obviously his truck's way faster than mine. He's got a tuned Cummins and I have a stock 7.3. In fact, I lost my tuner. I don't know how I managed to do something so stupid, but I literally lost the chip. I cannot find it anywhere in my house. I guess I'm tuneless on the truck, but maybe that's a sign of God just saying maybe I shouldn't have had that chip on there anyways. It might be worth getting a chip that actually is worth something a little bit later, so that might be worth looking into. But thank you guys for watching. This video was definitely super fun to film, and if y'all want to see more like this, let me know down below. Have a great one. Remember to freaking send it. Be great.